So today we have this jacket we're going to clean, and we need to soften it. We're going to use the LRC20 Softening Creme, and as you can see, it is rather stiff. It actually stands up on its own. It is just unbelievable how stiff this is, and we're going to get this brought back to life and make it nice, soft and supple once again. Let's get to it. So let's get this laid down on a flat surface and start the cleaning process. We're using LRC1 today, a bruchal brush and the bamboo cloths, because there's a lot of dirt and grime in this and we got to get that out. So let's take a look. It certainly is pretty stiff, and I'm going to try to show you the dirt on the jacket. Let's hang on. So as you can see, there's like a lot of waxes built up on it that's really ingrained, and it almost sounds cardboardy, does the leather, as you can hear. Can you hear that? Very cardboardy. And there's a lot of dirt and grime built up over the full thing. And we need to get that cleaned and get it brought back to life. So let's see what the outcome's going to be. Now let's have a look at how much cleaner this is. Just look at the difference. All that white residue has all been removed from those two front panels, but you can still see everything and all the dirt and grime on the arms and around the collar, as you can see. But the main body section is much, much better. Fantastic results. So now we're going to begin with the softening process, that it's all completely cleaned. I'm going to apply this by hand. If you have skin allergies or eczema or anything like that, I would recommend putting on some gloves, like these sort of things, you know, just sort of like standard sort of like black, blue, white gloves, whatever. As long as you've got gloves on, that's all that matters. I'm going to put this on by hand. I'm not going to use the pad. I'm going to actually put it on. This is the Leather Softening Creme, which is the LRC20, as you can clearly see. Yep, LRC20. And I am going to just apply it straight onto the surface, and then I'm going to rub that in, because I want to make sure this is massaged in properly. Once this is all gone in, we're obviously going to put it into a carrier bag and it'll sweat into it, and that'll really soften it up, and we're going to then show you the results after it's been in there for a while of exactly what it's done. But we just need to get that on to the item, make sure it's nice and thick. Try not to get it on the actual badges itself, which we're going to avoid, because we don't want to really get anything on the badges itself if we can help it. And that's certainly getting plenty of it on there, and that's what we need to achieve. So now we're going to get it put into the carrier bag, tie it up, and we're going to let it sweat in there for a period of time. And that'll really help soften it up. Clean down your table with any excess. Make sure that's in the bag completely. Fold things in. Give it a real good tie it nice and tight. All the air's pushed out of it, and we'll just leave it to sweat. So now it's been left to get softened for a period of time. Let's have a look at the results. I mean, this was so stiff, I don't expect for 1 minute it's going to have done it perfectly first time round, and I think we may have to look at more. But to be fair, look at that. I mean, you can literally screw that. That is absolutely outstanding. I'm really impressed with the softening cream on that. So yeah, that's, you know, and standing up, it's like, no, it's not doing it anymore now. So that's really good. So yeah, we've achieved an amazing result there with that jacket, with the LRC20 softening cream. And that is exactly how you would clean it to remove all the in-ground dirt, and then soften it by putting it in the bag and allowing it to sweat in there. We are going to give this another go, but it's exactly the same process as what you would do first time round. You're just doing it a second time, applying more softening cream and putting it back in the bag and allowing it to sweat again. And you can do that multiple times. It just depends how much softness you want to get in to your jacket. But that process shows you exactly how to do it right the way through from start to end. Cleaning, softening, and getting it back to life so it's usable, because it was so stiff before. As you could see, it literally stood up on its own. But, you know, testament to LRC20 softening cream, as you can tell, you know, this is, look at that, how much softer this is. That is unbelievable, right? Now it's absolutely brilliant. This is fantastic how it's come out. A brilliant job, much more wearable, and it's now, yeah, it won't stand up on its own. So great result, but we're going to give it one more go and get it even softer. Hope you've liked the video. Any questions you have, please reach out, please do ask.